And Navanita, we might have you sing your song again, but before we go, I want to turn it over to Evelyn to share a few words because we're a little bit ahead of schedule. And I have to say, congratulations to all of us to keep this workshop working so well. Before I turn it over to Evelyn, please give a round of applause to our Digna planning team that gave me the courage to keep going, that worked so hard behind the scenes to make this workshop work. We're going to make it through this first day. Janet, I'm going to say their names, Janet, Mara, David, Chipamang, Georg, Elaine, Mies, Evelyn Linder, Anna Strout, Phil Brown, and so many others that we are a do-it-yourself dignity group, and we do it with dignity no matter what. Even if things aren't perfect, we keep it moving. We've done a really great job, and I want to thank all of you for joining us and working with us as we work through our Zoomology or Zoom photography. By the end of this workshop, you'll all have a master's degree in Zooming. We're so glad you're here. Now, Evelyn, words of encouragement.
Thank you. You know, I would really love us all to say thank you to our dear Linda, because Linda has not been sleeping for the past weeks. I'm very astonished that she is still, you know, straight. It's amazing. As Linda says, you know, we have no technology department, we have no IT staff in the back. You know, I have been participating in many other conferences, and they sometimes have up to 30 highly paid people in the background, and we have us, we have love, we are holding hands. And what doesn't work, you know, we just hold hands, we continue holding hands. And but without Linda and her creativity and her dignifying, loving ability to keep us together and to never give up and to, you know, work really day and night, without her, it would not be there. We would not have a workshop now. So how can we thank you best, Linda? We should basically sing all together, you know, but perhaps this would become a cacophony if we were to start singing together. So therefore, I would like to ask our dear David Yamada, because he is our beloved voice. And please, dear David, could you just sing 2 lines of a wonderful word just for Linda, just to thank her? Could you do that for us?
Okay, well, here we go. Everyone, you can sing with us. This is a song that we've usually concluded the workshop with, but Evelyn has called upon us to bring it up a little early here, so we'll just give the first verse. I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue and clouds of white, bright, blessed day, and the dark, sacred night. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. And I think we'll finish at that.
Thank you, David. Yeah. Give David a big round of applause, a big heart for taking that on. We know that Zoom singing is not quite what you'd expect, but David's voice carried us through the whole singing experience. And Evelyn, this is one of her favorite parts of our Digna group, is singing together, and we'll do some more. But I thought maybe, where is our new friend, Navanita? Can you come back and sing us one more song? Before you go, everyone, congratulate yourselves, give yourself your own heart.
Ja, Michael ist auch da. Der ist jetzt reingekommen.
Thank you.
And
And
Giving me
everyone
peace of-
else would have to unmute themselves. Please unmute.
unmute. We want to mute everybody because Navarita's going to sing. Evelyn, so mute yourself, everyone.
Oh yes, mute. Yes, sorry.
And I want to let you know that we will reconvene back here at 11 o'clock New York time. The room will open early. We welcome you back. Please take care of yourself, get rested up, because I know this is like a marathon to some extent, but I feel energized by the end of the day because there was so much great work. And enjoy Lyndon's special session. We are thinking of you. So Navanita, would you sing your song for us? And then we'll let everyone go and get refreshed.
Okay, I'm going to sing Hallelujah by Leonard Cohen. Okay. I've heard there was a secret chord David played and it pleased the Lord. But don't you really care for music, do ya? Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, the major lift, baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Well, her faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof. Her beauty in the moonlight drove her through ya. She tied you to the kitchen chair. She broke your throne and she cut your hair. From your lips she drew the hallelujah. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Thank you so much.
That was just beautiful.
So beautiful.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Bravo, bravo.
Heartfelt. Navanita, thank you for sharing your beautiful voice. We'll be looking forward to listening more, maybe even tomorrow. So everyone, we're closing up shop today. Stick around for our photo shoot if you can, and be sure to check out Linda Harris's wonderful best bonus session. But thanks for making this an incredible day. I am looking forward to tomorrow. So bye everyone who has to leave us. Bye-bye.